Happy Friday and welcome back to Kansas Weather Watch. I'm meteorologist Josh Duncan, and we had some thunderstorms in parts of central Kansas yesterday evening. Most places did not get a whole lot of rain out of this, but Salina over a quarter inch and a small part of Ellsworth County had 1 to 2 inches of rain as storms trained over that area for several hours. And then as this marched off to the east, it began to die off, but still a decent lightning show was visible from Topeka. We've got another chance of rain moving into Kansas tomorrow. The highest chance across far eastern Kansas and also northwestern parts of the state with some wraparound showers. And we think that there's going to be a risk of severe weather for your Saturday as well, mainly for areas near and southeast of the Kansas Turnpike. That's in that yellow shaded region where storms could get a bit rowdy for a time Saturday evening. So here's a look at future view. We're dry through the morning hours, but there will be a lot of clouds in the sky, especially central and eastern Kansas throughout Saturday morning. And then as we get into the afternoon, the clouds will start to thin out some. We could see some sunshine before some thunderstorms develop after 5 o'clock Saturday afternoon. You'll start to see them in parts of south central and northeast Kansas. As we get closer to sunset, the storms will become a little bit more widespread up and down the Kansas Turnpike. Some scattered thunderstorms developing, and these will be strong to severe throughout Saturday evening. On into Saturday night, the rain will continue across southeast Kansas. And then by Sunday morning, the time you're waking up, most of the rain is going to be out into Missouri, but we could still have some isolated to scattered showers around the state of Kansas. But we don't expect any lightning on Sunday and definitely not any severe weather for the second half of the weekend. That threat is confined to Saturday evening and Saturday night. We're watching the potential for a few tornadoes across far southern Kansas, but the main threat is going to be large hail that could be golf ball size or larger in a few storms, and winds that could gust up to around 60, perhaps 70 miles per hour across southeast Kansas as the storms form into a line during the overnight hours. So get ready for that risk of severe weather tomorrow evening. Temperatures on Saturday also going to be really warm still, 70s and 80s for most of the state. But notice Colby dropping 56 for the high. That's as a cold front is going to swing through the state on Saturday, providing that chance of rain. But it is going to cool everyone way down for Sunday. Highs in the 40s and 50s for most areas. 52 for Topeka, 52 for Salina, and Dodge City 53 degrees on Sunday with a breezy northwesterly wind. It's going to feel pretty chilly for the second half of the weekend. And here's the forecast as we head into early next week. Temperatures warming up just a bit on Monday. We'll warm it up more on Tuesday. And then Tuesday is also the day we're watching for the next chance of widespread showers and storms to return to Kansas. That's your Friday forecast update. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.